So now we can discuss working with JavaScript objects in JSX. And you have to understand how to correctly display objects in JSX. This is a problem I guarantee you'll run into sometime during development. So I've cleaned up the code from the last section. So let's create a new const inside of our render method called var1. And let's set the value of this variable to an object with a key of key1 and a value of a string. Let's just call it some data. And let's also try to display this object in our render method. If we save and look back at our dev server, we will see we're getting this error message of objects are not valid as a React child. And this error may seem confusing and strangely worded at first, so let's explore this a little bit. We can also go under the hood and see exactly what this error message is trying to say. Let's go back to our app and convert the JSX back into a function. Let's return react.createElement and then a string of div, class name, string app, and then a string of some text. And again, this React create element function is something we went over in the previous section. And remember, some text is a child of the div element. If we save now and go back to our dev server, it should be working as normal. However, let's change the string of some text to var1. If you save, you'll get the exact same error as before. So this error is literally saying that the child of the div element cannot be an object. And the solution to this error is very simple. Instead of trying to display the whole object, simply access only one key. Let's go back to our editor and add var1.key1 to the JSX. If you save, you'll see that our text is now displayed. And just to show you the regular way, this is curly brackets, so var1.key in the JSX. And this is essentially how to display objects in JSX. Instead of trying to display the whole object, you'd have to access each property of the object separately. And I guarantee this is something you'll definitely run into during development.